I think the example that comes to mind is the work we've been doing for probably about 15 years with KidsAbility, which is a social service organization that runs programs for kids that have physical and developmental disabilities. And for years, we've been bringing improvising artists into the community to work with youth from KidsAbility. And those improvising artists will run workshops, a series of workshops, improvising workshops that will often culminate in large-scale public performances at the Guelph Jazz Festival. So, for example, we'll shut down, when we shut down one of the main streets in Guelph at one of the festival's biggest public events, that's where these kids get to play on that stage. So it's really quite remarkable. And the research component is that we have our research team members, students, for example, our graduate students, doing interviews with the kids, with the parents, with the staff, with the artist facilitators as well, and trying to track the impact that these programs are having. And the stories and anecdotes we hear are really quite remarkable about the impact. I mean, the kinds of things that people tell us, that the kids are showing self-esteem, that they're listening in ways they didn't listen before. They're taking on leadership roles in front of a large audience. Like the kids are willing to get up in front of an audience of thousands of people and take on a leadership role by conducting the whole band, for example. And, often we hear from the parents that this isn't something that they see their kids doing very often. So I think, we're really interested in this idea that improvisation can actually be a means of empowering and animating special needs youth. And again, the research team that I've worked with have documented and analyzed the complex relationships between improvisational practices and their effects on, for example, socialization, wellness, self-esteem, physical coordination, and mental acuity. And yeah, that's a project that's been running for 15 years. And the impacts on the kids, as I said, are really quite, we hear amazing stories.